What's up guys, and welcome back to a new video. And in this series of videos I'll be showing you on how to create like just a basic 3D model. One of the easiest way to get started with 3D model. So when you open the Blender, this is what will come in, and the first thing you need to do, just click on general. Then after clicking on general, this is what will come. So welcome back to FOSS Institute, in case I didn't say. So what we'll be doing, we're just trying to create something like a talking can. So what I'll just click delete on that, then I'll just click shift A, then I'll go straight to mesh, then I'll go straight to a cylinder. Then this is what thing that I will be using. Just click 8 on a numpad 8, click tab, then it click go straight to edit. Okay guys, I'll try my level best to move slow. Select the face, click 1, click E, then you move it up just like that. Okay, just click undo, click E, click Z, just to make sure. You see, this is what happened if you click if you didn't tell it when you want where you want to extrude it. So just click E, so you could be extruding it straight to the top. So we just wait for it until this area, then we just click E again, then we move until that small area, then we click 8, we just come straight to the end. I hope I'm not moving fast. Just come straight to the end, you click S, then you click X, then you just try to scale the reason I'm clicking S is to scale. Then you click 1, this is how it will look like. Then I'll just try to click Control plus zoom in, Control plus, then also click 2 just to see like the bottom of your can. Just click 1 just to see it like this. Just click E, then you move it downwards just like that. Click 2 again, just come straight to the end, then you click S, you click X, then you just move it a little bit just like that. You click 1, you control minus, so this is what you have. Click tab, goes back to the object mode. So this is what we have by far. So I think I did mess it up a little bit around this area. Okay, let's click 9. Even the bottom side we did mess it up, so we can just go click tab, go back to the edit mode, and we click 1. We just try to mess it up just like this. It pretty looks great. It's not that bad. Just click this, then we can just click around about 3, click shift just to select some of the points, then you can click G, then you push them a little bit just like that. You can do the same also this side. I don't want to do what I'm doing, just to be honest. Okay, just click G, just move it inside a little bit. Okay, you'll do the same thing on another side, but I won't be doing it because I have a plan on how I can approach it. Then you can click tab, go back to object mode, so you can just click here, you can just write can. Then now what we'll be doing, just click shift A, you go straight to mesh, then you add a torus. So let's click G, click Z to go straight upwards. So now we'll just try to scale it. Click tab, go straight to object, either edit mode, try to zoom in, use that hand to go straight because I'm not using a mouse, and click 8, and you just click S, then you scale it just like that. Just make sure it stays straight there. Okay, another thing, you just click S, you click Z just to move it just like that. Now just click G, click Z just to move it downwards just like that. You can click 7 just to see if like you are on the right position. You can scale it a little bit, click it as, just give it a little bit of a scale. Click 1 and click 3, click G, click Y just to move it a little bit forward like that. Click G, click Z, move it downwards a little bit. So some of my side don't look really good. I really don't know. Okay, click Shift A and add again a tourist. Actually, you can just click Control. You can just click Shift D just to duplicate that one. Click G so that you can Control Z. Now I just made a mistake there. So we can click Shift D, then we can move it. Now we just click Z to move it upwards, like our duplicate. So we are only moving our duplicate to another side of our can. Okay, so if you did notice, like I decided to add another circle from the edit mode. So the reason I'm doing this, I wanted like to have one tourist, so so that when I color, I don't color like the top one, then I color the bottom one. So I can click tab, then I go straight to object mode. So this is my can. So this is my can by far. So what I will try to do right now, I'll just try to create a little bit of a hands, uh, but I'll be doing that on the next episode. So thank you so much, guys, for coming and tuning on this one. It really means a lot. I'll see you next time. Feel blessed.